A very good morning class 1. Welcome back students. Students, in our today's video we will discuss worksheet number 2 given in your Tamarind Tree book page number 52 and 53. So let's begin. Okay, let's start with the worksheet. Worksheet 2. It covers lessons 6 to 8. A part, answer these questions. Students, the A part we have already covered yesterday. I send you the answers for A part. So we'll start with the B part. B part. Fill in the blanks using the hints. Then look around yourself and complete the sentences. First, dash has dash, and in first dash you have to write name of the person sitting next to you, or you may write name of your friend. So I will write name Kamala here. Just now we have read the chapter password, so let's write the name of that girl, Kamala. So here you will write in the first blank Kamala, K A M A L A. Kamala has name of one thing that friend has. You may write anything, like I'll write has big bag, B-I-G, big, bag, B-A-G, bag. Kamala has big bag. Now let's move on to the second sentence. Dash, what do you call your teacher? Has dash, name of one thing your teacher has. So let's write your class teacher's name here. Mrs. Ritu ma'am. Miss Ritu, R-I-T-U. Miss Ritu has anything we can write? We can write red pen. R-E-D, red, P-E-N, pen. You can write any object, name of any object here. Third, how do you refer to yourself? Here you'll write I for yourself. I have dash, name of one thing you have. You may write anything again, like I have beautiful dress, I have pink dress, I have blue toy car. You can write anything. So I will write here pink dress. You can write anything of your choice, students. Beta, it's K by mistake. Pink dress, D-R-E-S-S. So this is the way we'll be doing B part. Then moving on to C part. C part also we have already covered. We have to join the two words to make a new word. Like the first one is corn plus field. So we'll write together cornfield. Silk plus worm, silkworm. House plus fly, housefly. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Fire plus fighter, firefighter. Shop plus keeper, shopkeeper. Sun plus flower, sunflower. News plus paper, newspaper. Sea plus shore, seashore. And last, spring plus time is springtime. This we have already done, students. So let's move on to page number 53. Okay, D. Read the story and complete it. Once upon a time, there was an old man named Pal. He had 3 sons dash 2 daughters, and you will write here and A-N-D, and 2 daughters. He was a very kind man dash. One of his sons was very selfish and greedy. He was a kind man, but B-U-T, लेकिन उसका एक बच्चा बहुत selfish और greedy था. B-U-T, but. Pal used to work on a farm. Dash get oranges, apples, dash mangoes from the farm for his children. Pal used to work on a farm and A-N-D, and get oranges, apples and mangoes. And again and will come. and mangoes from the farm for his children. Pal always got one fruit for each child dash the greedy son used to secretly eat all the fruits. Pal always got one fruit for each child but लेकिन जो greedy बच्चा था वो चोरी चोरी सारे fruits खा लेता था. So again here you will write but but. Next, one day Pal dash his wife decided to teach their son a lesson. One day Pal and his wife, Pal और उसकी wife ने क्या decide किया? उस बेटे को lesson सिखाने का. Pal got all the fruits dash the fruits were not sweet. Pal got all the fruits but the fruits were not sweet. They were rotten and sour fruits. वो rotten थे और sour थे, खट्टे थे और गल चुके थे. And Pal came home dash told his children and again and बेटा आप लोग properly लिखोगे. I'm not able to write properly because of the cursor. I have got some very expensive fruits for you all today. पाल ने क्या बोला? मैं तुम सबके लिए बहुत expensive महंगे fruits लेके आया हूँ आज. They are very sweet dash tasty. They are very sweet and tasty. वो बहुत मीठे हैं और yummy हैं. We will enjoy them together in the evening. हम शाम को सारे मिलके वो fruits को enjoy करेंगे, खाएंगे. The greedy child wanted to eat all the fruits alone. लेकिन जो वो greedy बच्चा था उसको क्या था? उसका मन क्या था कि सारे fruits वो अकेला ही खा ले. Alone means अकेला. He quietly went into the kitchen dash started eating the fruits and started eating the fruits. And again and will come here. वो चोरी चोरी किचन में गया और उसने सारे fruits खाने शुरू कर दिए. He quietly went into the kitchen and started eating the fruits. He tried all the fruits, oranges, apples and even mangoes. उसने सारे fruits को try किया. Orange भी, apple भी, mango भी और mango भी. But all were sour and bad in taste. लेकिन सारे fruits कैसे थे? खट्टे थे और टेस्ट में भी अच्छे नहीं थे. But will come here. The selfish child was shocked. He went running to his father and told, और वो भाग ये खाने के बाद वो जो selfish बच्चा है वो अपने पापा के पास गया और उसने क्या बोला? Told him that the expensive fruits tasted very bad. Father told his son that everything tastes good only when it is shared with everybody. और पापा ने क्या बोला जब उसने जाके बोला कि फ्रूट्स तो अच्छे नहीं टेस्ट कर रहे, तो पापा ने क्या उसको समझाया कि खाना या कोई भी चीज तभी अच्छी लगती है जब हम शेयर करके खाएं, शेयर करके एंजॉय करें, कुछ भी चीज हो. सो अ गुड लेसन. That's all for D part. Now let's come on to the E part. Write C for common nouns and P for proper nouns. Rewrite the proper nouns using capital letters. Students, this part also we have already covered when I did the topic common nouns and proper nouns. Again I'll just brief you out. छोटा सा आपको बता देती हूँ इसमें क्या करना है. यहाँ पे नेम्स दिए गए हैं, आपने बताना है ये कॉमन नाउन में आता है कि प्रॉपर नाउन में आता है. अगर ये कॉमन नाउन में आता है तो हम सी लगाएंगे, अगर प्रॉपर नाउन में आता है तो वील राइट पी फॉर इट. एंड अगर वो प्रॉपर नाउन है तो उसको हम करेक्ट करके सिर्फ अगर वो प्रॉपर नाउन है पी लिखेंगे, तो जो वो वर्ड यहाँ पे दिया गया है उसको रीराइट करेंगे करेक्ट करके, बिकॉज प्रॉपर नाउन्स ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद द कैपिटल लेटर, तो उसको कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू करके अगेन वील राइट हियर ओनली फॉर proper noun, not for common noun. Okay, so that's all for today. Now complete this worksheet in your books. Thank you students. Have a nice day.